So remember the TVR that we showed yesterday? Today was the day we rescued it. Having been sat for over 5 years, we didn't even know if it would run. So we used the forklift truck and some rope to drag it out. And I, of course, had to put my back into it. We then put some air into the tyres to help us roll it into the studio. Now the wheel nuts were rusted, so we added some heat to help us remove them. Now the underbody wasn't as bad as I expected. With just some minor surface rust, we turned our attention to cleaning it. We used the snow foam and let it dwell to draw out years of neglect. We had to pre-wash the bodywork multiple times before we could even entertain going in with a contact wash. With the pre-wash stages completed, we was able to go in with a contact wash. Once that was completed, it was time to turn our attention to the wheels, and these were in a poor condition. Once wheeled into the studio, we performed a test spot. For this we used Aka 510 from 3D Car Care. Ideally we wanted to use a foam pad, but it wasn't cutting the mustard, so we decided to go for the Kovacs trusty wool pad. We then finished down with Cartech 4000 refinish. The results we got were night and day. Be sure to follow along to see how it turns out.